And now let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate tango choreography with teaching count. And quick, 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 slow. Quick, quick, slow. Slow, 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 and slow. And quick, 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 slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And quick, 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 slow. Quick, quick, slow. Slow, 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 and slow. And quick, 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 slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow. And now let's see once again tango choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and we start with Fallaway reverse and slip pivot. We continue with drag hesitation. And then lady goes outside into outside spin. We continue with Spanish drag, which we finish in same foot lunge line and then 5 step from here, so lady has one extra step, and then closed promenade. Very good. Let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we start by taking close hold and move down line of dance with Fallaway reverse slip pivot. In same direction we start drag hesitation. Now we move diagonally to wall with outside spin, then Spanish drag down line of dance. We finish it in same foot lunge position. And from here we dance again down line of dance with 5 step, which we finish in promenade position and move diagonally to wall with closed promenade. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.